Hello everybody, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to be making some jewelry from BeeBeeCraft. Please stay tuned till the end of this video to find out more information about the giveaway. The first thing that I'm going to start with is this pendant set. These pendant sets, you can put lava stones and pom-poms or pom-poms inside of them. And now I'm going to show you what each one looks like. This is the first one I'm going to show you. It's got a lot of nice detail to it. It's nice and secure. It has a clasp that you open. And for an example, I'm going to put a pom-pom. Oh, that's a big one. It's okay. Okay. That's what that looks like. This is the second one that's in the kit. It's very nice, has very cute hearts. I love how this right here looks. It's very cute. And it opens right here. Another clasp. Opens up like this. Okay. I'll put another pom-pom in there. And you can change out the pom-pom colors. You could put a lava stone. Just want to show you the design, what it would look like. Okay, this is the third one I want to show you. Isn't it nice? Look at all the detail. These were really thought out. They're nice, good quality, nice and sturdy. Here's the clasp, and it opens up right here. I'll put a smaller one in there. See, that's what it looks like. This is the fourth one that I want to show you. It's quite cute. The clasp is right here, and it opens up. Okay, this is the fifth one. It's shaped like an apple. It's very cute. That is where you'd put the string or chain through. Okay. Open it right here on the side. Isn't that cute? Okay, this is the sixth one. Looks like a little owl. This is the seventh one. I love this little lantern type deal going on. Okay, it opens right here. It's very pretty. This is the eighth one. It's a little bird cage. Opens right here. It's quite large. You can actually fit maybe this one and a small one. That's how big it is. It's pretty big, but it's very cute. Okay, this is the ninth one. I like the little swirls in it. It's pretty interesting. And it separates kind of weird. Like this. Come on. It opens kind of different. Right at the top there. And then it opens up like that, which is really interesting. And last but not least, we have the heart pendant. It's quite large. It's got little flowers on it. It opens right here, like a locket. With the pendant set through BeeBeeCrafts, it comes with multiple pom-poms, different colors. I don't know if that's going to focus. Yeah, multiple pom-poms, just nice soft squishy pom-poms. They come in small sizes to large sizes, larger sizes. Very nice though, nice and squishy but not too soft. I would not recommend putting any essential oils in these. It also comes with lava stones, 2 different sizes. Very nice. These you could put essential oils or even perfume. If you're going to put essential oils, I would start with 1 drop and see how you feel with that. For the chain, I'm going to be using this waxed cotton cord, okay, which I also got through BeeBeeCrafts. It's a very good quality, nice and strong. First, we're going to start with 34 inches. For these necklaces, I'm going to be creating the sliding knot, adjustable sliding knot. First, you're going to take the string, go in front of it, go under it, okay, so it's looped around. Then you want to go down with this, go underneath, and then pull it through that loop and tighten it. With the sliding knot, it does make the necklace size adjustable. For more information about BeeBeeCrafts, please visit their website at BeeBeeCrafts.com. For this giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment down below to enter for a chance to win one of these necklaces. I will pick 7 random winners once I reach 500 subscribers. Thank you and have a wonderful day.